In today's video, I'll discuss the differences between multivitamins and athletic greens. Watch until the end to know the final verdict on which is better. Let's start with the differences. The main difference between the two is the nutrient content. Multivitamins are made from.
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
A broad range of vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, zinc, and calcium that address vitamin deficiencies and provide additional vitamins not acquired through diet. On the other hand, athletic greens is made from 75 high-quality vitamins, nutrients, and minerals such as vitamin A, folate, and biotin that support gut health and boost energy levels. Additionally, athletic greens includes ingredients like digestive enzymes and probiotics, which are usually not found in multivitamins. Hence, athletic greens has a broader range of ingredients. When it comes to pricing, athletic greens generally cost $79 for a 30-day supply. These high prices are due to the complex nature of the ingredients. For multivitamins, the prices vary depending on the brand, but they generally range from $16 to $50 per bottle, making them more affordable. In terms of supplement form, multivitamins are typically made in capsule or tablet form, while athletic greens is in powder form. Taking supplements in powder form is more convenient than in capsule form, as they can easily be mixed with water or added to smoothies. Additionally, powder supplements are generally absorbed into the body faster than capsules, as they have a more consistent texture and density, allowing them to dissolve more easily. Hence, athletic greens is absorbed faster into the body. Do they have any similarities? Yes. Both are intended to be used as supplements to diets and should not replace any foods. Additionally, they contain some similar ingredients such as vitamins A and K. To sum up, which is better, athletic greens or multivitamins? What I like about multivitamins is their affordable prices and easy availability. However, athletic greens is the better option since it contains some ingredients not found in multivitamins, which have more bodily functions such as gut health support. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.